Okay, so here we are. We're going to do open number line with this problem 32 plus 19. So just to review, when we are adding on a number line, what direction are we moving in? Jackson? Right. To the right, yes. Okay, so adding to the right, what will be our starting number? Per this equation, where will we start? Cade? On the left with 32. Very good. We'll start at the left end. So go ahead and draw a vertical line just to sort of mark a location. And then underneath, right at the bottom of that line, write 32 to show that is our starting number. 32. Now we're going to be adding a total of what? What's being added on, Kelly? 19, because our equation said 32 plus 19. So the 19 tells us how far we're going to go to the right on our number line. Now, I don't want to take one big hop of 19. So what I'm going to do, because I see 32 right here, I want to get to the closest 10. What is the next closest 10 past 32? Joseph? A number that ends in 0? It's 40. Yes. So how far is it to go from 32 to 40? 18. No, from 32 to 40. If I added 18, I'd already be at 42 when I just added the 10 on. Carter, true? 8. It's plus 8. So we need to label our hop above the number line inside the hop. Also, do not forget that you are showing arrows as you hop to let them know what direction you're headed in. Okay? So I'm adding on a total of 19. I've done 8 so far. So I can do another 10 because that only gets me using 18 up. So if I add 10 to 40, where do I land? Eli? Yes. So be sure to write your landing number right underneath the arrow. Well, I'm almost done, but not quite. I still need to take a hop of how much? Lily? Plus 1. Very good. How did you figure that out? When you add one more to 18, it becomes 19. Very good. So 50 plus 1, what's our landing number here, Lillian? 51. Okay, so now we can go back and put the like umbrella hop, the big huge hop, and prove that 10 plus 8 plus 1 is 19. So I did go forwards a total of 19 on my number line. When we add, we start at the left end. We can actually go ahead and label this our start. And then we end at the right end, the right side of our number line there. Okay, so hops on top, landing numbers on the bottom. And then we can repeat our equation down here. 32 plus 19 equals what? London? 51.